The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good morning, fellas. Jim in San Diego, good morning. Deepak, guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 19th. Chris, very good morning to you. You guys are here. Lee, good morning. Ray, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Becky, good morning. Blessings to you as well. Stay bad. Yeah, the Titans beat the Bills. I was pulling for the Bills. Got to pull for the Bills. Hometown team. I watched the first half, and I knew that I knew the Bills were in trouble on the first two drives. Yeah, Derrick Henry's a beast, no question, no question. In any event, guys, we had a terrific trade yesterday. Order flow was dynamic as usual, and the bots, gold. We left yesterday. Gold had a runner on, which pulled back into break even +1. And then the ES went to that second target. So we finished up yesterday on the bots at +355. No great shakes. Very few trades. We do have a bot trade on currently. Gold. There's the 8 o'clock bell, guys. Gold has fired a long. Gold has taken first target. So we have our first bot trade of the session. As a reminder to trials, there are 3 bots that begin at 6 a.m. The ES, which is still in longs from yesterday, has not taken a trade, probably will not get a trade out of that today. The NASDAQ begins at 6 a.m. as well, still in longs, has not taken a trade. And gold, which also begins at 6 a.m. Crude comes on at 8:55 a.m. and then, of course, at 9:30 open, the Russell will begin to trade. So this is where we're at. This NASDAQ that I'm monitoring on a new settings, which obviously I'm not showing any of them, but the NASDAQ on this new bot has also not taken a trade. It's into longs. In any event, guys, we are here. Back at it. We had a prolific trade in the afternoon yesterday. I posted it in member Skype. Second target is now hit on gold at 22 ticks. We had a terrific trade in the afternoon. For those of you guys that might wish to join us in the afternoon session, if you would like to join, please do. Send me an email. Looking around, NASDAQ 71, almost 71,000 and change, almost 72,000 contracts have traded. So right about normal. 600 buyers. NASDAQ is on the cusp of breaking out long. It is currently pushing the top of the cloud. And if we break out of this area here, NASDAQ is headed to 377 and 466. Good morning, Mimi. Silver. Yeah. The one instrument I really rarely trade is silver. I have shown trades, in the room in the past, where I've made $2,000, $2,500 quickly. I will be the first to tell you I have had my bell rung with silver quickly. The only thing worse than silver is lean hogs. I have taken some pretty hellacious smackdowns on lean hogs. In any event, we do have net buying currently. I would expect a pullback here at the top of the cloud. And I would not be surprised to watch us break out the ES. Yesterday, we talked about the ES. All those targets were hit on the ES. And it now looks like we can get to, I don't think we're going a whole lot higher. I think we'll get a pullback in the ES, maybe to 91 might be interesting. We'll see what happens there. But 08 is what I see for a ceiling, maybe to 10 and then a pullback. Good morning, John. The YM, yes, as well, hit all targets yesterday. We've got about another 100 ticks in it. 405 is the area that I would look to trade to. Russell also hit all targets yesterday. I never got my pullback into the 100 period moving average, but we did get our targets on Russell as well. We're getting a pullback now in RTY, and that could, good morning, Ryan. Russell, I'd like to see maybe 73 and see what happens at 73. There's pretty good support down at 73. Looking at gold on the hourly, gold needs to break above that high from 1 to 4 days ago, about 84. If gold gets above 84, it'll trade back up to 1800. Gold also is pushing the top of the cloud. So it's about 16 ticks away from breaking out. Crude hit my final target yesterday, or what I gave yesterday is at 82.75. Next stop for crude, 84 bucks. See if we can't find a place to get in on crude. Tomorrow's inventory today is API data at 4:30. Natural gas still coming down. There is a zone that natural gas will need to hang on to, which is somewhere between 470 and 450 area. Actually, 490 and 470. So we're a few ticks below that 490, but 470 on gas. If anyone has anything they want me to look at, I'm happy to do it. But we'll be looking for pullback longs again, much like yesterday, and trade it back up. And then in the afternoon, we'll look for continuations. But the NASDAQ is trying, the NASDAQ, if we get above that 77 area, call it 80. Call it 80. NASDAQ can really, excuse me, NASDAQ can blow up, and it'll see, we could see the all-time highs again. In any event, here's what we got. ES traded just below our normal average when we come in. Almost 7,000 net buyers in the ES. Gold has 3,400 buyers. I like gold. There is talk, good morning, Todd, that Powell will probably not get reappointed. Brainerd, she would take his place, and she is an extreme dove. Gold has hit third target at 31 ticks. Now I'm just trying to milk it. I moved the third target, manually moved it further out, but all three targets have been hit on the bot. Crude, another couple thousand buyers. Big offer up here at 83 bucks, 39 contracts for sale. YM, almost 1,000 buyers. And natural gas has selling. I am watching gas for a further dip. I do not believe we have much in the way of news today. Yeah, 8:30 we have September building permits and housing starts. That's it. Harker speaks in less than an hour. Fed's daily speaks at 11. Bostic speaks at 1. And then, of course, we have Netflix. Netflix. Then tomorrow, we have Tesla. IBM will be interesting. I'm sure that so far everybody's beat, guys. I'm not sure if this is a function of lowering, the estimates and outlooks, but everybody is beating. Everyone has beat so far. I would expect Netflix to beat. If anybody has any questions, feel free to holler. We do have this gold trade on. I think they just adjust them knowing that they could be soft. So, in any event, guys, we trade what we see. We trade the market. Yeah, it's rigged. No question. No question. I just want to be the guy that's on the inside of the rig. Just once. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and I guess we're good to go. Unless anybody has any questions. Run for Fed president. Yeah, I got a shot. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and or options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your now third target on the bot. And if we break out above 84.3, we're going about 87. Let me put this at 86.5. Nice. Nice. $84.3 goes, and that target is around 87, fellas. 86.9. 84.3. You guys should, if you're trading gold on the bot, you should all have longs on the bot. NASDAQ can go either direction here, but I like to pull back to 47 daily. Ray, daily. I'm going to move that up to second target, guys. The bot, oh, there we go, buyers again. I mean, the bot's done its job, right? We're 3.5 times average true range up here. So, we're definitely overbought up here. At least on the 3-minute, right? I'm not looking at. This is a heck of a move that started at 7:30. Indices all looking like they want to pull back. Come on, 84.3. What did we hit? 84.3. We've got to break above 84.3. 310. Yeah, I'd like that. I'd like to see yesterday's close at 290. We popped 84.3 and jumped to 85.9. 16 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and lock in third target, fellas, manually. The auto trail is at second target now. Let me take a look at gold. Anyone running gold? Okay. Nice job, Keith. All right, guys. Few of you guys. Silver March calls. Let me look at silver. Morning, Magnus. Silver looks like it's going to trade to the top of the cloud, 2460 area. Good morning, Roland. Yeah, at 2460 I see. You see 70. Same spot. Morning, Bashkar. Okay, out on gold at third target. What'd you buy, Mimi? March what? 25 calls? I like gold, ETF, GOLD. I like the commodities as a whole. Here comes what looks like that 40. There's that 47. I think NASDAQ, good Lord. We could work all the way back to 285. I don't think so, but NASDAQ is failing right at the top of the cloud. It's good for us. We don't want to buy highs. We've got a short on gold if you want a scalp trade. We're going to have to get down right here, 80.7. If this holds, this is where it bounces, but I don't think it does. Anybody take the NASDAQ short? 47 has been hit. Next target is 43 if you're short NASDAQ. Then 40. And then we dropped to 30. Okay, Caleb. We dropped to 32.50 below 40. Looks like they're going to sell them all back. Okay. Little bit of data at 8:30. Looking for 1.61 million on the housing starts. YM gives you a YM gives you a short with a target at 60 if you want an 84 short. Yeah, it's not going to affect us. I mean, look at your bots, Bashkar, right? Look at the ES, if for instance. The ES has no shot. I mean, it's a 15-minute time frame, right? So it has no shot at taking a trade. It couldn't take a trade till at least 8:45. NASDAQ, because of that secondary time frame, is not going to take a trade. Now, this new bot I'm playing with is going to take a short in 2.5 minutes. This took three trades yesterday. And they were all winners, right? So Monday 3-3, this bot was up $4,110. Again, I've not released anything to anybody. I'm just playing with it. Boy, this was a monster. If you were running a trail, jeez. In at 109, out at 269, 160 handles. So we'll see what we get. Let's see what the results are for a few weeks before we get excited. I could back test it. I'll do that today. I'll do a back test today. Nice, Caleb. Yeah, I think you get that in the next day or two. Honestly, we're just failing. We're just failing at look. Stop on gold really needs to be 77.6. It's got a break here. Push up here. Come on, you chooch. If this rolls back down through VWAP, I mean, still like gold long. If this takes me out, I'm still looking for longs. Anybody take that YM short? Your first target is 60 if you took the YM short. NASDAQ should work down to 32, 33. And that YM has hit that first target. Next target on the YM, 35,200 if you're short YM. 35,200. Short ES and NQ, okay? NQ should come to 33, 32.50, 33 before it finds a bit of a bounce and then lower. YM sitting on a bit of hourly support that once this goes. What about ES? What does that mean? Are you asking me for a target on ES? 91, 92. They're all pulling back. That's good for us. Target 1 on the ES would be 92. Got an outside shot at 44.70, but I would reduce risk at 92. Unless we break below 88, then it will probably move much lower. Come on, gold. Let's go. Let's get up here. Break here. Unfinished auction at the bottom of the candle, current candle. If gold gets through 81.5, it's going. 81.5. Out on the bot. Come on. We got through 81.5. We got to 81.8. Leave that damn unfinished auction till later. Okay, auction's gone. NASDAQ working down to that 32, 33. Man, gold is being a fickle pickle today. Yeah, it does, but you've got this buy zone here. It's small. My delta, we're above VWAP. I've got to look for longs. And I've got significant buyers. I don't have a reason to be short. Break below VWAP might change that, but Yeah, I think gold will catch up though. It's trying. I think it's a function of time here, fellas. If you guys are anxious or nervous, you take your trade off at even. Or if you got in a better fill, take some ticks. Next candle in 2 seconds. I really would have liked to have seen it around 81.5. Come on, bust it up. Let's go. Here we go. Okay. Come on, gold. Let's go back to 84. There you go, guys. Got to break above the 68. Here's where we're going to have a bit of an issue. The sell imbalance in here, right? So you got a target here, 82.8 if you want to, want it. I'm looking at these buyers here. Somebody bought 21 contracts, 83.7. So I'm looking at those buyers there. Again, trade it as you see fit. It's obviously slow, but I do have us in longs. But again, trade for your accounts. Opening range high on gold, which is in couple of minutes, is 84.6. That is your opening range high right here. So if we come through 84.6, we are really off. Ah, you dirt dog. NASDAQ working down still. ES still working toward that target, 92. It's come to 93 and change. Gold is now again long on the bot, by the way. Here comes your 3250, 33 on NASDAQ. We're coming down further. Delta Airlines CEO refuses to enforce a vaccine mandate. Guess he saw what happened with Southwest. What'd they lose? 50 million, $100 million? I don't think it's because he's a great guy. He's looking at the bottom line. I don't think he's standing up for anybody's rights. I think don't they report today? Maybe tomorrow? They report soon. Come on, gold. 2,500 buyers. Seriously. Let's go. Get you $300 here, fellas, if you're trading threes. Pop it, you dirty dog. Walmart up this morning after Goldman Sachs upped their conviction ahead of earnings. Target said Tuesday that it will more than double the number of Apple Inc. shop-in-shops in its stores to 36 from 17 for the holidays. Raises the price target from 281 to 308. Boy, this gold just doesn't want to go. Man. In my opinion, there's too many buyers not to go. It's just a function of time. Maybe at the 9, here we go. We're working through the sell zone here. All right, guys. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. This is a slower than dog do trade. There we go. Good Lord, man. You guys good? Now it's free. It's free. You guys good? Anybody hold it, or do you guys panic and jump out? That's its opening range high. Guys, I'm going to say it again. I say it all the time. If you guys are willing to put risk on, and I give you the stop, you're in the trade. If it doesn't happen in the 4.5 seconds that you guys want it to happen, I put stop at break even. If we break out above the opening range high, it's going to blow. I'll leave stop at break even, okay? Target one is filled on the bot. You've hit your 92 target on the ES. ES short has hit its 92 target. NASDAQ has hit it. Again, I was doing something else. It's 32, 33 target. Next level down for NASCRAC below 23 is 17, 13, and we could come all the way back to 85. I don't think so, but it doesn't matter what I think. All right, I'm going to breakfast. It's got a 21 contract buyer here at 84. I'm going to breakfast. I'll leave the stop at break even. Targets are hit. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back already. And if this takes us out, which it probably will, okay, out on gold on the last remaining contract. NASDAQ still selling. Got a whopping negative delta of 160 contracts. ES hit first target, but nothing more yet. YM got that first target at 60 and has come down to 44. I still think it comes down. I mean, the YM could come as low as about 190. Looks like we're going to get a pullback on the open, which is great. Everybody good, fellas? Everybody good? If you've taken any, the order flow trades, the few that we've had, NASDAQ has gotten targets, ES has gotten target, gold has gotten target, YM has gotten target one. Anybody have any questions? I came back early, so good morning, James. We're already racking them up, fellas. Racking them up. And it's about making money daily. I have not given a losing order flow trade, right? And the bots are green, not pending the outcome of this trade, which is solely NASDAQ trades. But be that as it may, you guys should all be green, right? 54 ticks in gold, NASDAQ, YM, ES trades all went to target. I did not look at crude today, but so no one should be in a hurry to push a button. Okay? You got buyers coming back in here on the NASDAQ. We've pulled back into the cloud, so it's a mess. I think we're going to get a pullback. We may get a push up on the open, but we're going to sell. My opinion. Gold doesn't know what it wants to do. Successful longs and a failed short. I still think longs, but we'll see what we get here on the open. Okay? 2 minutes, guys. Coming into 2 minutes. I'm going to move that off the screen for now. NASDAQ held VWAP. I'm not sure it continues to hold. We'll see what we get in the open. Does anybody have any questions? Trials? Any questions? Anything before we go? Let me look at crude. I really didn't look at crude at all today. Boy, I missed a big dump on crude, fellas. I did not even look at crude this morning. Good Lord. We should have been short at 82.41. God dang it, 100-tick trade. Yowza. Crude looks like it could come back to 80.75, where it would probably start the move back up. So if we come down to 80.75, we'll look for longs down there. One minute. Was a short $1 ago. I don't short bottoms. Certain death. It's the only thing I didn't look at. We hit YM, ES, NQ, gold. It just it didn't happen to look at crude. We're off. We're off. Buyers on the open, sellers right back in. NASDAQ looks short to me at 28. This area, I'm not in a trade, but it looks short to me. Target number 1, if you guys want to take an opening shorts, 18. 18. Target 1 is 18. Target 1 is 18. Par for the course, it comes 18.75. I still think you'll get 18 and then 13. If you want to hold it through VWAP, I think you can go 28 to 13. You got 18. No, 18 quarter. I'm off by a damn tick. It's coming. Now you got 18. Got target 1. Unless you want to hold for 14 and make that target 1. But 18 was my target 1. I think we come 14. There's 14. You got 14. Next target down is going to be 08. Sellers on the open. Guys, don't say you're not making money. If you're not making money, you ain't pushing buttons. Here comes my 200 target on YM. Pretty damn close. We got to, yeah, we did. We got it. 199. That was my pre-market target. That's hit. Huge. They're huge. Let them shake out, guys. Let them all shake out. Anybody grab NASDAQ? You got a nice little trade, guys, on the open. No bot trades other than the gold, which is still in the trade. Gold should come down. If gold breaks support at 79, I have no bot trade on the RTY. There's RTY. It's shorted here, 918. Guys, let them chunk around here. Let them just chunk around. All right, gold. If gold breaks at 79, it's going to get flushed. It's almost the first target. It should break, fellas. It's one tick through. It's got to break. 76 is where I think gold is coming. Missed first target by a few ticks, but I still think it'll get it. NASDAQ is still short, fellas. Still short. Positive 1,200 ticks. We should get a reversal. Up to about 750 on the negative delta on NASDAQ. We may get a bounce here. Thank you, Mimi. Here's, we're getting close to a bounce. We're holding the 50. We're oversold. This could press down to 95. Remember, I told you it could come 85. No buyers yet. 800 plus sellers now. There are no buyers. Yeah, I know. I'm not, I mean, I don't trade Bitcoin, so. Come on, get first target. Let's go. This stupid gold hit first target. It didn't fill it. No, missed it by a tick. A tick. Come on, gold. Seriously? Abba! We slaughtered them. Pre-market order flow. Slaughtered them. Yeah, we slaughtered them. We hit them good. I want to see what happens at 90, guys, which was yesterday's close. Yesterday's low. Where the hell is yesterday's low? All the way down at 15,038. I don't think we have a shot in hell of that. Let's see here. Today's low is 268 area. NASDAQ is shorts, guys. It's shorts. We could come 208. We could. Don't know that we do, but that is a target. Gold. I'm going to move this off the screen, guys. Short came one tick, it looks like, to that target. Didn't get it. 4, yeah, 1 tick. $44.88 on ES. Let me take a spin around, guys. Nothing on the YM. I hit my target, which was, about 100 ticks. We hit that. ES is pulling back. 92 is our first target. We've got that. And now you should be still short ES. Russell also in shorts, just held some support at 66, bounced 3 whopping points. Gold is in shorts. I do not have gold in longs. You've got to be short gold. 76 looks like where it's coming, possibly as low as 71. We're holding a pivot. If that breaks, we're still hourly longs, but it looks like it wants to sell. We double topped on the hourly on gold at 86.2, 86.1, something like that. All right, gold got first target on the bot on the short. First target is filled. I mean, this has been, yesterday we had 5 gold trades and 1 ES trade. Today we have 4 gold trades, 3 winners, and nothing else. ES is going to short on the bot in 6.5 minutes. $81.3. If you're short gold, leave it. My opinion, coming lower. NASDAQ is getting a bounce here off of 05. I'm not interested in longs. I want to see what the next 15-minute candle does. Let me see. If you guys want a scalp long on NASDAQ, we're back above VWAP. You can take a long at 26, but I mean, it might get you to 35. I'm not gassed on the longs right now. Target gapped up over the entry on those calls I gave you. SPY's gapped up. I'd like to see him pull back and fill that gap, and then we could take the long closer to 447.5. Apple moving. NASDAQ, there's that 36. If you took the long at 26, you got 10 handles. It looks good now. if it breaks above 40, long NASDAQ above 40. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ now. NASDAQ's longs. That may have been our pullback. Hey, Greg, for a long or a short? I had it above 40. You got to tell me what you're seeing, buddy. I don't know if that means backwards or forwards. 40 was your entry. Long above 40, that was your entry, as I saw it. You could have jumped it here at 26. Back to a green delta, 300 contracts. Now I want to pull back. You can try 41 on a pullback. There's gold. All right, let's see if we got a spot to get in, guys. Yeah, you had a 105 buyer here at 46. Losing the buyers. Somebody bought 70. Well, you just say L43 and I'll get it. I mean, I'll understand it. Or S43. I had it at 40, so we had the same area. Let's see, where do we might want to pull back to? Maybe 37. I don't think it's going to. I think your longs here, guys. If you're not long 40, I mean, or 30, you know, that 26. I think we trade 79. Damn it. I'm inclined. I'm thinking I'm jumping in here late. Pull back to 35. Come on. Pull back to 35. I'm going to jump in late, guys. You guys trade him as you see fit. All right. I'm in late. I'm in way late. If it pulls back to 35, I think that's a really good entry. Block seller. Here's your big buyer at 50. Target is 77. 75, call it. I'm in late. I gave you guys the early entry. I gave you guys 2 entries, an aggressive entry and the break of 40. What's your stop, Greg, on that 43? I think you can get a pullback. No, we're not going to get 45. $33.5. I'm not looking at ES, guys. No, ES is longs, but it's got to get above 97. I would take it at a break of 97. Next 15-minute candle, guys, in 45 seconds. I mean, NASDAQ, guys, if you took the 26, you murdered it. Even if you took the 40, you got a great trade. I still think we're longs. Back to this we're going to get one of these days back and forth. And we have a bot trade somewhere. ES short on the ES. I'm going to move that guy so I can watch order. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me some buyers. Next 3-minute bar in 2 minutes. We could come back to the 50. ES is motoring. Well, it was to first target. It's only about, 3.5 points. You're long NASDAQs, fellas. Long NASDAQ. Come on, wake up. Let's go. Here we go. It's winding up. Big seller just came in. Scumbag. Could have been profit taking. Could be a net seller. We don't know. Nor do we care. But we're longs. We're longs. I still think we're going to 77. Patience. Patience pays. Patience pays. Interesting. Okay. Patience. Come on, break out here. Don't be a chumperoni. There we go. Anybody buy other than Deepak buy the 35 pullback? Anybody buy the pullback at 35? Nice, Todd. Okay, guys. Nice job, Brother Free. 29. Nice job, Hubba Hubba. I like the longs, guys. We have no reason to be short. None. None. We're fighting the top of the cloud. Okay, Harold. All right, Greg. See you in class. Major Dell. Nice job. We could come back to 35. Did we get, yeah, slightly higher? One of those days. Guys, we have a whopping 300 net sellers. 35 is still, it just came back to 35, maybe 36. Well, get out of here. For 9 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. 9 minutes. Yeah, I would have, Ed. Yeah. That's our. We're gonna break up, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna break up. It's a function of time here. It's going to break up. We have 75 net sellers. You're going to break up. Good Lord, we have another bot trade somewhere. Must be on that bot I'm testing out here. It is long. I am not interested in shorts. I am not looking for shorts. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Got a 150 buyer here at 48 with a block trade. Here. Once they bought them again. Once they're buying them here, guys, at 48. They're buying them at 48. They're buying 48. 219 now with a 20 block. You want to be long. You're just going to have to suffer through anxiety because it's not a quick freaking trade. It's given us back and forth, back and forth. Delta's, we're above VWAP. Delta's not telling me crap. Small negative delta. Don't care. I'm above VWAP. If anybody thinks this is short, have at it. Nagande. I'm trying to get to 75, dude. But, you know, you could take a target right at the 95 up here around 60, 61 and then hold. Look, one of the things I've taught you guys, you want to be long with these guys. Target filled on what? Where is there a target filled? Guys, oh, hang on. Hang on, guys. I got to check. Ryan, you're in the current class, right? I'll teach that. We'll get there. Yeah, this stupid thing wants to pull back. Oh, that's why, you dummy. There we go. Guys, we're long NASDAQs. We are long NASDAQ. It's just not wanting to break out. Use. Come on. See if we get a pull back to 35 again. We have 200, 300 sellers. Nothing. It's still fighting the top of the cloud. That's what we're fighting on the daily basis. If it breaks out, ES is broken out, YM is broken out, ES is broken out above the cloud, and so is Russell. NASDAQ is the laggard. Ah, you dirt devil. See how it does not want to give up this 35 area. We know where support is, right? 35. 36. Gold is still dripping lower. It's actually sitting on its opening range low. If it breaks, gold's going to get trounced. ES flat to Midland. Now we're getting a pullback below 35. Watch this 18. My stop, I've moved it up to 11.5. I got in late. I got you guys in on the early entries. Back up to 800 sellers. We failed again at the top. I still think we will break out today. NASDAQ still up 40. I'm going to get clipped here. I mean, I got in late, so I had to hold it with the real stop, Keith, right? I think we have a bounce back to 35 here. Got a host of Fed speakers. Come on, get your keister up here. I need to get back above 26. Hurry. There's 26. Guys, whether you took the 26 entry or the 40 entry, the stop was the same. So I have to use the same stop. I told you guys I was getting in late. If it clips me, it clips me. All right, we have a short now on the NASDAQ on the bot. So we have a NASDAQ short. We have a NASDAQ short on the bot, an ES short on the bot, and a gold short on the bot. Although the runner on gold is probably going to take me out. 27.5, what's your stop? 13.25, 15. Out on gold. So we still have the NASDAQ in a trade, as well as the ES in a short. Yeah, if we break here, we're coming into the overnight lows. That's all. Yep, that's all right. I'm going to go back to regular candles. I put the guys. I still have us in longs. I don't have us in shorts. Opening range low is in on the NASDAQ, which is 0175. Unfinished, stacked imbalances, buying them back. I told you, I don't have us in shorts. I mean, it's just longs. I mean, again, listen, if you guys go back to last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? What was that? Yesterday was a fun day. It was a trend day. It was up, up, and away. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week were simply a buy and hold all day. And you would have gotten all of my targets, right? I mean, I got jacked on this trade too. I have to use a stop. I mean, I personally don't like stops, but we're not shorts, is what I'm trying to tell you. We are not shorts. We are not shorts. I wanted to come back and get this auction at 34 quarter. You know, when you get into this kind of market where it's more of a buy and hold type market, trade smaller. Apple went ballistic. If you took the Apple calls, SPY is moving up. The NASDAQ, if it breaks out above the cloud, and I believe it will today, is going to 466. Got daily longs, small time frame longs, hourly shorts. Hourlies go long. They will go green at 10 o'clock, but we really have to get above 60. Come get that auction. Did you hit it again, Greg? mean, let me look around. Let me see what I see here. YM is going to trade back to 59 and then potentially higher. Where are you in? 90. ES is going to break up. ES is above 97, 24.50. Okay. ES is going to go long. SPYs are bid. Looking at these damn Qs. They're doing nothing. Gold is chopping around, but still shorts. And crude is trying, but I don't have a trade on crude. NASDAQ, I want to see this unfinished auction cleared. You had a small sequential decline, 24.1693. We ran out of sellers on the bottom of this candle. I still think we're going 79.80. All right, I hit it again on this break. I'm long again 47 on this next break. If this 15-minute pushes up through 60, it's going 79. Still doesn't want to go. Come on. Down to 500 net sellers, guys. Come on, let's go, NASDAQ. We've got to get above 50 quarter. Come on. Yeah, 50 quarter. Big bid just pulled. What am I at 47? All right, guys, this is our sticking point here. These sellers need to get back above 43 quarter. They're starting to disappear. Buyers are coming in again. If we break 50 quarter here, ups we goesies. Come on, 50 quarter. Let's go. Damn, I should have bought more. Come on, 50 quarter. Don't be bashful. Come on, water's fine. 50 quarter goes, we go quick. We should move quick. I think the buyers will come right in above that 50 quarter. I could be dead wrong, but there they are. We're above 50 quarter. Come on. Stacked imbalances above. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Some small sellers here. Could be profit taking. I doubt it's a net seller. Could be. Trade them as you see fit, guys. You got 300 bucks now. Had. Well, the big seller's at 60. I suspect we'll try to get up near 60. But again, trade them as you see fit. This is not, here it is on a 15-minute. Come on, let's get 57.50. That swing right here, whatever this is. 56 quarter, 56.50 goes. We make another move up. Come on, work through this stupid seller. Come on. Come on. Take this swing here. Now we've got two offers. Now the one jumped. You got a 40-41. And we're down to 397 on the negative delta. So what I'm hoping to do is get out of two of these at about 61. That's my goal, right? As you can see the target. And then I've got a free trade. Come on. Another 5 points. Let's go, NASDAQ. You got this. Oh, you scumbag. Come on, NASDAQ. You're down to 400 contracts. Buy them up. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. Damn it. Sellers back in. Come on, buy them back. Come on. Got to get through this goof here at 57.5. "12 seconds next candle. What I want to see is us get above this 81 seller here at 52.5 and then start the next candle. Okay, that's where we started. We got what I wanted. We got what I wanted. Come on, up through 56. Come on, dog. 90, 88, 90, 100. We got buyers. Pushing 15-minute resistance, guys. I'm going to take my ticks off, I believe. It just won't break 15-minute. Come on. Go to 77. Come on, dog. Got net buyers in the candle. 400 lousy sellers. Get through that 15-minute resistance, guys, and I think this is going to be a zippity-doo-dah. Need to get through 56 quarter. For those of you guys that are on trial, I am trading a live account. This is not a sim account, so I'm walking you through the same trade that I'm in. Come on. Block buyer here. 22. This is 15 minutes, guys. There it goes. There we go. Thank you, Deepak. Come on. Let's go. Target filled. There you go, guys. I'm not trading. This is not paper. This is real. So if, I'm walking you through the trade, you guys will notice there's very little emotion in my voice. I'm not anxious. I'm not, I'm not losing my mind. I'm not, We go hourly up, guys. This goes stupid. Stupid. Here comes our opening range high. If we break through our opening range high, I think they're going to buy the living daylights out of this. Okay? We broke it and pulled back. We've got to get above it and get a candle close above that opening range high. Okay? Got a 110 buyer here. I went to break even. I'm at break even. Okay, I'm out. We buy another pullback. You guys good? Everybody good? Okay. We got our, 47 to 61. Now I'll break right back down. It's just a choppy session, guys. It's trying to find enough momentum to break above the top of the cloud. That's all. YM, I've got nothing. ES, I told you, was in longs above 97. It went 97 to 02. Not much, but a trade. Russell is not turned up yet. Gold is still selling, has come to third target. See you tomorrow, Rich. I still think longs, guys. I still think this is trying to find the momentum to get through the top of the cloud. Crude is trying for a long to 94, and the bot is in a trade on crude. SPY still moving up. Qs came into daily VWAP and held. I don't think you want to be shorts. ES lost on the short and is now in a long. Let them play until the close of Europe. I don't really care. We'll get them in the afternoon session. Look where we're back. Came back to 35 in the previous candle. Look. Same area. We know where support is. It's wanting to hold that 35. Let's take a look at these markets quick, guys. NASDAQ's up 52, ES up 21, YM up 107, 108, Russell up a handle, gold's up $7.50. Oats is down a bit, copper's down, silver is up nice, crude is down 15 cents. Yeah, I think I would, Ed. It seems to be the area they keep trying to bid it. Tesla's off. Roku's down. Netflix off $3. Nvidia down small. There you go. Free trade now, fellas, unless you want to hold them. I told you, I do not have us in shorts. It's just jerking around, herking, jerking. This market is right back to, yeah, look at the option trade I gave. If anybody took the option, anybody take the option? Target was 149. We hit 148.69. If you took the calls, you're banging them out, fellas, banging them out. We're about to go hourly up on NASDAQ. Hourly up on NASDAQ. Nice job, Deepak. Daily target met. I still think we're going 79.80. Still think you want to be longs. I don't see shorts. This market is the same as it was last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's a hold market. It is a terrible trader's market for us. We're going to break again. This is where we failed to break on the last move up. It's going to break, and buyers are going to come right in. Didn't break this time. It's going to break. Well, 75 is still my target. And then above that, we go 466. And I think we're going to see that today. Once we get rid of, I say it all the time and I say it tongue in cheek, but once we get rid of these Europeans who just want to short the hell out of this market, I think we go up. Once we get rid of Europe, we go up. We're going up now. I mean, we're green on the across the board. There's no reason to be shorts. As soon as they hit this skid, I do, Keith. As soon as they hit this, watch the buyers. This is the old bang bang trade. 62. I mean, you could put a trade on at 62 quarter and trade it up into the high of the day. It's a 5-handle trade. That's all it is. I want to buy a pullback now. I'll buy on a pullback. I'll buy 48. On a pullback, I'll buy 48. I mean, I get it. I mean, we've got rinky-dink sellers in here. 300 net sellers on the day. It's nothing. We've pulled the 68 up, though. We could, we're holding this buy zone down in here. If this breaks out above that 15-minute minutia, it's going to blow. This is our garbage right here. At 15-minute. I believe it'll break today. $48 with a 25. All right, filled 48. Target 1, I want 54. Target 1 at 54. I got to work through all these sellers. Maybe 53.50. Come on, you dog. Let's go. Come on, bounce. 54. 54. Trade them as you see fit. We're sticking. These sellers are sticking here. Trade them as you see fit. It's a scalp. You dog. Come on, 54. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, you stink. Can't even get a freaking six-handle bounce now. We're coming down. Sellers back in. Probably come back to 35. Probably come back to 35, fellas. Got to work through this whole seller BS. Come on, go get 54. Let's see, 48, 30. Buyers again. Come on. Break up here. This is just a, come on. Really need to get back up above 47. This whole mess here is killing us. Got to get above 47 quarter, and we go up. Maybe 48. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop being a chump. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to come back down. Yep. We're coming back to 35. There's our 35 again, and it held again. I do not think it holds again. I do not think it holds again. So far, it's holding again. Not going to hold. God damn it. Come on, bounce. ECB's Lang is speaking. Yeah, they're just selling the shoot at it. This is just Europe. God, get rid of these Europeans. They should make it illegal. Guys, this is a live trade. This is not a sim trade, so I'm in the trade. My stop is 25. Come on, get back up here. Go get some stops. We want to come down to 18 again, it looks like. All the weight is on the downside on the 15-minute candle. It's holding some support here at this 35. It's, if we get above later today, that 61, this thing goes. Back up to almost 1,300 sellers. If this is going to go, it's got to go now. 27 has to hold. 27. And we're not going anywhere on 3 buyers. 11 buyers. Come on. Run this back up. Let's go. And again, I want to stress the fact that, I'm in a trade or trading a live account, or if I put 5 contracts on or whatever the case may be, does not make it a better trade. Come on. Going to have to get above about 43 here, 43. This is all right, new candle and an unfinished auction. That's out, we're through. Now we need to get through 45.50. And we held that 35 area for the most part again. If we break 45.50, we get back up here. Come on. 45.50. Lower high. I do have buyers, but we're going to need a lot more than this. 45.50 goes, we should go up to 51 and then possibly 60. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. Come on. This thing is about 3 points away from, 4 points away from going. Not even. Yeah, 3 handles. 12 ticks higher, and I think this goes. But again, the weight is to the downside. 3.5 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. We lost it. We lost it. $45.50's got to go, fellas. It's going to come down. Come on. This is what's got to go right there. Next 3-minute candle in right now. 1 minute, 1 second. There it is. Come on, buy them. Lower highs, higher lows. We've got inside candle on the 3-minute. Okay, buyers. We double topped on the 3-minute, guys, at 44.25. Got to push through that. 3-minute double top at 44.25. That's got to go. Come on. There's 43. We broke it. Come on. Come on. If we take that swing, get buyers. There it is. We should be good. We got that swing. Come on. Get me to at least 51. Don't you fail. Let's go. Still got to push up through 46 now. $200 buyers came in, 217, 215, 216, not much, 218. Oh, God. We still need 48.5 to go. 48.5. $47 seconds to the next 15-minute candle. 47 seconds. Let's see what we get on the next 15. $15 seconds. Lost it. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. It's going to come back to 35. All right, see you, Jim. Holding that 35 area again. I mean, it's been pretty good. We need to get back above 43, 44, and then 48. Okay, there's 43. Come on. 44. Got to get 48, fellas. 48 and we goesies. Come on, 48 and we goesies. We've pulled the 68 lower. We're so dang close. Well, we know what the Rubicon is, right? We're so close. Yeah, mine too, dude. Mine too. I swear I came so close to throwing 10 on at 35. Come on. God, it's trying. Oh, we're almost there, fellas. Momentum is trying to the upside. Come on. Back above entry. Now feel free to do your thing. I can get you $30. All that. We got to 49.50. 6 ticks. Come on, NASDAQ. Lost it again. I mean, that's a cool idea. Micros to the close. 1 or 2 micros. If you get the breakout, you'll get it. Guys, it's trying to get momentum, on the 10-minute. The 1 minute has got it. But the 10, I can't get the 5 or the 10 minutes to blow. Coming into the top of the hour. We really should have gotten to 51 anyways, and then, tried to work up into 58, 59. Come on, NASDAQ, here you go. She's trying, fellas. She's really trying. All we need is 200 contract spot, and this thing will blow. Come on. "25 seconds to the next 5-minute candle. We can get up through 50 if. God, this is like summer trading. Everything's flat. YM is flat. If you guys are, wanting to get out, you can get out pretty close to even. If you guys are anxious and you want to oh, crude got target on the bot. I'm not even watching the dang bots. Come on, blow 50. Blow 50. Come on. Me loved you long time. Go. I can get you a couple $100 lousy dollars. I can get you a few $100 lousy dollars, fellas. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got to 53. We're down to 500 net sellers, below 500. See if we can get at least 10 handles out of this. 58. One more candle and this will freaking smoke. I can get you, $400, $300. Come on, you dirt dog. Below 400 we are. Let's go. Back above 400. One more candle. Give me another 30 range. Come on. Oh, God, we're so damn close. I need 55 half. There it is. New candle. And this is like giving birth. We're below 300. Come on. Come on. Guys, if we blow this 15-minute, yeah, this is torture. Seriously. You guys got to love buy and hold, man. If this blows that 15-minute high, this thing is going to go stupid. The buyers will come in. If it blows these blue lines, you got block buyers here. They're buying 54. All right, guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'll hold one. Anybody stay in that trade or anybody panic and get the hell out? I mean, I want to see 77 hit, and I'd like to see 460. I'd like to see four. I know you're in, Caleb. You've been holding for weeks. I'd like to see 460 hit. This is pain in the neck trade, guys. I'm not going to lie. Look, we got 500 buyers in this candle, and we're still staggering around like a drunk. You got taken out. You couldn't have gotten taken out. My stop was at 25. You're using your own stops, man. Guys, it's really, really hard to break bad habits if you don't do something different. If you guys do what you've always done, you will always have the same results. You will always have the same. Fellas, listen, I am trading real money here, okay? I am not trading. This is not a sim trade. If I'm in the trade and I'm not panicking, you guys shouldn't panic. If this blows that 15-minute, you're going to watch this thing rocket. If this gets above here, it's going to rocket. I mean, you know, look, you have to judge. You have to judge the trade. Look, I've said this before. I said this before. I'll say it again. If you guys trust me to take the trade, right? I mean, don't allow yourself to push a button because you're an adrenaline junkie. Or come on, dude, we are so close to blowing to 77. There it goes. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. If you guys are just adrenaline junkies and want to be in a trade that goes zip line to target, oftentimes that happens. Told you, if we broke that 15-minute, this son of a gun was going to rocket. 77 is where we're headed. Okay? But if you guys are looking for, yeah, it doesn't always happen. Now they are just killing these sons of bitches. They are just killing them. Now they're going to tear them up. We broke through the cloud. There is nowhere to go but sky high, like the other idiots. Here comes 77. We got to get above, call it 80. If we get above 80, I'm targeting over 400. If you guys want your money, take it. If you guys want your cash, take it. Your prerogative. That's why, listen, guys, I try to walk you through the trade, what I'm seeing, right? What we're doing. You guys watch me do it day in, day out for months on end. Stop using arbitrary stops. You have to use a real stop. If you don't like it, then don't take the trade. Thank you, Jeff. I mean, listen, that was not an easy trade to sit in. I'm not going to lie. Back and forth. Man, I came so close to throwing a freaking dime bag on at 35 and averaging my costs down. Boy, that would have paid handsomely. That 35 has been rock all day. Guys, we are about 3-4 handles away. Yeah, Green Delta. We're about 3-4 handles away from really blowing. It got to get above 80. Above 80, I think they're going to tear the guts out of this thing. Who's still in the party? Who's holding? Okay, fellas. We're 5 handles away or so, I think, of just going zoo. More buyers. Come on, buyers. I've got no place to get in unless it comes back to 61, at which point I won't be in the trade. Okay, Luis, where are we going, buddy? Give me a number. I want 466 today. I want 466. I want 100 handles higher. They're really going to make these shorts feel some pain. Pain. $450, I'm with you. You got 600 on the runner, fellas. 600. I'd like to get at least 100. We had the same type of trade yesterday in the afternoon session. We sat in it. I actually left. I had to go to we had a great trade, but it was slow. Same thing. All right. Looks like we got my 77. All right, we got to 80. We got to get above 80. So I got my target. Right? Now I'm hoping for free money. Free money above 80. 81. Let's get some free money now. We get above 80, 81. Pack a lunch. We're above the cloud, guys. NASDAQ is above the cloud. We've broken out. I'm at break even, I guess. There's 80. Bye. Come on. Get above 80. Go. Go, you little devil. Go. My stop is at break even. If this, what's getting targets? Oh, ES got target. Come on. We've got to get above 80 cleanly. I need a 5-minute close above 80. We finally got a Russell trade. Has not hit target yet on the bot. There's target on the Russell. I can't do, and here's crude. All right, guys, I'm watching this. It's actually the same trade. I move stop to 52.25. On a small time frame, you can go to 70. I think that's too tight because if we get a 5-minute close above 80, then we're on top of the resistance. We could pull back to 62. I'm on the close button, fellas. All right. I'm out, guys. I'm out, guys. Anybody have any questions? We're going to pull back. We'll get them again. All right, let me do bot trades very quickly. ES took a short, came a couple ticks from target 1 and failed. It has now gotten target 2. Target 1 on the long. That could be on all day. So I don't know where we're going to end up. I can tell you where we're at on the bots in a minute. Okay, so ES, a winner and a loser. Crude is a winner. Russell is a winner. NASDAQ had a losing trade. Here is NASDAQ. Took the short, stopped out. Okay. Russell, first trade, got target 1 so far. That's still on. We'll see if we can get, any more out of that. Crude, I showed you. And gold, trade number 1, winner. Trade number 2, loser. Trade number 3 was a winner. And trade number 4 was a winner. So I don't know where we're going to end up today. Guys, I'm about ready to wrap it up for the session. I have order flow group at noon. And then I have the room opening for my afternoon guys at 1. For my trial members, I hope it was profitable. For my own members, I'm sure anybody not make money today? Guys, it was not an easy trade. I told you yesterday when we came in, this market is still a buy and hold market right now. Now, that wasn't the case yesterday, but it was the case again today, which we saw Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. We're not, aside from the first 15, 20 minutes, we're not getting enormous volatility. Now I'll wait till we get out of Europe. All right, Ed, we'll wait till we get out of Europe at 11:30 and we'll, look for trades again. Guys, have a blessed day. Some of you I'll see at noon. Some of you I will see at 1. The rest of you I will see at 8 a.m.,